What's the meaning of bowsprit? Bowsprit. Bowsprit.
Bowsprit. Bowsprit. A bowsprit is a long pole or spar that extends from the bow, front, of a ship or boat. Its purpose is to provide an anchor point for the forestay, a large rope or cable that supports the mast and sails. The bowsprit also allows the ship to carry more sail area, improving its speed and performance. Bowsprits were commonly used on sailing vessels in the past, but are now less common due to advances in sailing technology. They can be made of wood, steel, or composite materials and come in various shapes and sizes to suit different types of vessels.